It's
Happy holidays!
And welcome back to Living the Globe with us. This episode is a little chit chat and bring you up to date on what is up here at Living the Globe.
Now, I know you guys have been seeing videos we've been publishing from the Maldives. That's because
we spent the last 3 months visiting 30 different islands in the Maldives, and it's been an incredible journey. And now it is holidays time and we're back to Kuala Lumpur.
And our plan initially was to publish all 30 islands and show you the beauty of the Maldives, the local islands. But because it's now the holidays and everything is festive, we decided to sprinkle a little bit of holiday joy and show you just how beautiful Malaysia and Southeast Asia can be during the holidays.
Now, we are actually shocked how much holiday cheer it is here in Kuala Lumpur and in Bangkok. So we would love to share and spread the holiday cheer with all of you. So now we will be sprinkling some holiday videos in between all our Maldives travels. So don't be alarmed when you see Maldives video, then Southeast Asia video for Christmas, and then back to the Maldives. We're not hopping back and forth between countries like that. We're just publishing it a little bit mixed up just because of the holidays.
And I know some of you have already been freaking out because we've seen it in the comments. We will be posting videos every day. You guys are like, oh my God, another video. Yup, we're doing it every single day. We have so much content to share with you. Just a lot of editing that has to be done, but it's the holidays, so we're gonna make it happen.
Let us know in the comments, would you like to know what the holidays are like in Southeast Asia? So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays!